Hey, Smart Wood Shop. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is my Smart Wood Shop. I have a question for you. I have these tracks I've used for a very long time, and the chip guards, they're starting to come off of these. And before you say, oh, they're just getting old. No, these are newer ones. Now, I haven't had it on this one yet. It's still solid. This one was from the factory. These were replacements, and I've done it many times, but on both ends of the long one, I don't know if you can see that without me. See how it's kind of coming? I can stick it back on. It's not really hurting anything. I'm going to try some double stick tape from FastCap, see if I can recover it, but you can see that there. So these are not there. They're the replacement, factory from Festool. And the reason I'm asking is I've never had this happen before. And I use these things hard. I don't try to protect them. They slide in their spot. I don't keep them in cases. I'm wondering, is this weather related? I'm here in Florida. That's the only difference. Same tracks, same treatment, same material that I've put on a number of times over the years, and only the locations changed. Is it the humidity here? Do you think that's what it is? And if it is there for all you people in the Southeast United States that deal with humidity, have you had this before? Is this something that you know how to deal with, or you just sort of put up with it? Again, in the Pacific Northwest, I have never had this stuff on the edges or anything. It's not hard to get off, but you got to get it going to rip it off to put on a new piece. So again, I'm pretty sure it's got to be the heat and the humidity or something, but just curious if you have any input, any suggestions. Let's help me out and help out the rest of the Smart Wood Shop fam. Mahalo.